Tornado representing for Nike TV. I don't know what it is.
I represent for Nike. Social media
Steve. Nike. You know when they want the whole excitement, them just
social media TV, and right now we have a program right now where I run the whole place. Dancehall history. Yeah man, history in a dancehall, and they don't know people create a lot of history in a dancehall. You get to me I say? Yeah, me say now people, get to the point now. One big up Raggae Ginger. You get to me I say? You see, dancehall, Raggae Ginger, I do a lot in a dancehall. And big up Raggae Ginger last night who give away a big fridge to a burnout victim. Yeah man, a girl where they over Boasey Tuesday, over the Tuesday them, every Tuesday she did it. Burnout victim from Grand Spend, you get to me I say, Anna. And she received a fridge, you get to me I say, courtesy a Ginger, you get to me I say. So Ginger, big up yourself. And big up your song, you get me? People, dancehall history. Right now, Ginger create history in a dancehall because Ginger make a girl where get burned out right now. You get to me I say, get a fridge. And she thankful for it. But right now, people, when I see the video, because the video, it was at Boasey Tuesday. I don't know, Boasey Tuesday, one of the hottest events.
Ginger was wonderful friend because I didn't have any funds from my dad to keep this event. I get this event tonight. I really appreciate it. Thanks very much. Lots of big up. Every time, enough respect.
Boasey Tuesday.
You Boasey Tuesday fans, thanks so much. Yeah.
Thanks for Ginger.
I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate this fridge. Thanks again. Yeah.
Yeah man, people, you know sir. Boasey, right? Boasey got it. Don't get mad. Boasey and nah force. One mama blast. One man to your jazz. Boasey Tuesday, we are represent. I represent for Ginger, Grand Spend, you understand them usually start, them get burned out, them house burned out flat. You understand me, them lose everything. So, with this side, I will make the girl know, say, here what, I will just make them know, say, here what. Boom boom, we feel like we're going to give that couple here the fridge. You understand me? So, this is the fridge on behalf of Ginger, you understand me? And the couple, you know say, not now go on, they must struggle.
Artist Ginger.
Yeah, they must struggle. So Ginger, we appreciate our one here. We just capitalize on it and just try to make it feel more touching and feel more real. You understand me? So, boom boom, on behalf of boom boom, on behalf of Boom Boom too, because I him present everything and him know her, I know a Grand Spend. You understand me? So him say him have to organize, and you know from Boom Boom said that. Him have to organize and talk to the general and work out a bedroom set. No care where you get, them will appreciate. Because them have to appreciate. Because it starts from nothing, they're not supposed to get nothing. Or somebody else. We turn it away. You understand me? So Ginger again, we can see say, you give away.
We got the two bartenders and we got no shit. Me and them have come from a long time. And when bartenders time, I call them as a friend and say, "Oh, come sit." Yeah. Yeah man, can't tire, no say no. So you walk now, boom, you see Anna? You see Anna? Anna there with me every Tuesday. Anna, you know say you fought me tonight from this tale. Because last week I gave you ear. And I gave you this and I gave that. I said, Anna, pretty up next week. And you still not do your ear. That's why you're lucky. Rich Anna, you deserve it, Anna. That's why I said come tell Boom Boom say, yeah, Anna, but you Boom Boom want Yanni. You understand? You're eating a boom boom egg. But my friend, big up yourself.
Anna, then I'm going to tell you from uptown on the Zulu. So me I say, I watch her now. You see Anna, up on the yard she come from, you know. And her off bundle, you know, in her real life. Her off bundle, watch her, more money me again. But Anna, big up the whole surface, then give me 5 grand for you. Anna, more blood, not just up there. Anna, you see that bad crowd. The one crowd. The slide going in the future. The grand prize is a car. I tell Ginger and the other one a car. Put the music on here now. You have bedroom sex. 11. You have to get a bedroom sex. You hear that? We don't want a car and a Ginger here. Bedroom sex. People are off coming in a real life, you know. Where expect she come from, you know. And us bond up, daddy. Bond up, put up a seal. You see, and you see this right now, we don't like, you can't come here.
One team, we don't give something out of
bedroom sex.
Darling, give something out I want to get them in there.
Yeah, my Lord, keep it down. Let's go back home, let's go. I want your blood. My Ginger is my worst. You know, long time up. I have to show me the great things. The police have said they have 7 more minutes. Ginger, big up yourself. Oh, no. Look out for the remix. Ginger, I'm together. People feel like they can't grab it. Yeah, I want it for people now. You want to with it. You put it up for me, I want to like to sit down. All you want more can I do? Let's make sure the next 7 minutes one more time. Let you move on as artist. I don't want to kill me. I'm on it, I'm going to close. Chicken choo. Look what Dr. will see a color of me and what's happening? I'll be an everything. Baby, we call you. Show you how I'm green now. Nobody want me to give me the hand. Clean out. Clean out. Well, you want to ask the clean out. Clean out. Clean out. Mind up in me to clean out. Come in the tree, clean out. Don't want that picture with it with the brain. Clean out. Why see? Time my dog so. Clean out. What does get Kenny make? Move to the left, hey, I'm clean. Move to the right, I'm clean. Check it out, check it out. Oh yeah, you know I'm no green. Put it with this hair, I'm for every. DC, I'm running for life. Everybody look at bring it out. Let go of the water. Everybody look at it. Let go of the pot. Let go of the pot. Everybody look at it. Let go of the pot. You want to let this guy by the luck. I want your boys. We have been back. Watch it. Dancing just up. We're going to dance inside that. Expensive at all. You feel like clients is at that. Boom, boom. The part will be at Soundfest with an accent. The part that they have Soundfest. Who else are they at Soundfest? Whoever has spoke at Soundfest. Yo, not nice to smoke, you know. You know weed, you know. Smoking up.
Sweet, let me sign a song of truth. Rubber brown like glass with a little bit of dark. Let me sing like I'm a true. Let me tell you about bad man smoke and the chalice never load. And I'm courtyard joker. Mix up with tangerine, the gorilla glow and poof. Game over, load. What kind of grabber we a smoke? Hop, 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 please grabber we a smoke. Hop, 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 please grabber we a smoke.
Yeah, man. You know, man, we've done from a long time and all the time, but the police officers in life, the giveaway, them John, this like the week, this rub out Sunday, this rub out Monday, this, and they are topic right now. Big up yourself, man. We need more people like Ginger in our business. So, may I say, so that's the God knows. Yes, now, while I'm in quick up, make you run going now. And the man play quick cook song, a 2 song play team Shabba play now. Come like Ding Dong, oh you're so my friend them stadium. Look when I think hey Shabba, you think I'm going easy work? Yeah. When I feel like I'm down the right thing, then we Munga Blast. One Munga Blast I'm paying the man and blast it. Yeah, that's so deal, but you don't know. Family same way. Love them from now. See friend? To be continue, very, very well said. I don't know, all follow to each and every one. So I say, that is it. Wrong!
Somebody take it up in there. Sit there for me.
I'm going to pick up the song, man. So I'm going to tonight. Yeah, very good. No, I think, yeah, man, Rising's on the 17th. Yes, you know, escape the city. You know, we're on part of back one, right? Yeah, I have to fly up on there. You know, the one where I did the theater, you don't know, you can shop a Kenny, them man, the one in them man. The one at Kingston, yeah. Just sit down, yeah, outside.
What? There, man.
call Nate representing for Nike TV. I don't know what it is.
I represent for Nike. Social media
represent for Nike. You know when they want the whole excitement, them just